Guys, I'm at the UPRR West Colton Roundhouse, Pepper Avenue. What the heck is that hissing? What in the world? Something smells like gas. Seriously though, what the heck is that? Is it the switch, or I think that's what it is, but it's someone please. I don't know what the heck this is. Just listen for a minute. Get out of here, fly. Yeah, what the heck is that, guys? I don't know.